Lisa here. Today I'll be reviewing this Paint Your Own Horse Money Bank by Original Stationery. You can get this from Amazon.com. The link will be in the description below. Let's see what's inside. Now figure out your phone. Okay guys, this is what it comes with. It comes with the horse that I'll be putting my change in. And here's some paint that I could paint my horse. And it comes with paintbrushes. You paint it and decorate it. And it's your little pinky bank, basically. And so I'm gonna paint it and decorate it and show you what it looks like. So this is how my horse came out. It came out really gorgeous. I'm just so happy. And I have a lot of paint and bedazzle left over to make another one. I had so much fun painting and creating my own horse. Make sure to grab yours today on Amazon.com.